Alright guys, so I want to show you the first steps of what you're going to need to do in order to start your color wheel worksheet for mixing color. I have gathered all my supplies. Make sure you have all of these things and your paper is labeled before you start painting, because after you start painting, you're not going to want to have to deal with getting it labeled around it. Now, I have a palette knife, a cup of water, my palette set up in this way where my red, yellow, blue, black, and white is separate from each other. I have a paper towel and I have a clean space for my worksheet. You also will need a small brush. It cannot be large, it needs to be small. So the first things you're going to do is you're just going to fill in the major primary hues. And it's labeled for you already. So hue goes in the middle, so that's just the basic color. You don't have to paint it in perfectly. I'm not going to judge you based entirely on did you paint exactly within the lines. Just make sure it's neat. When you go to change color, so now I've got my red, and that's done. I'm going to go into my water, swoosh it around a little, tap it a little on the bottom of the cup, and then I'm going to bring it to my paper towel and pinch it off. So I just kind of go between. Can't really see that. So I'm going to take my paper towel, lay it down, pinch it between, and get all the paint and make sure it's off. Then you can go to the next. Yellow goes here. I don't want to mix my colors yet. There we go. So I have my three main colors. That's where I want you to start. We're going to get into mixing in a second. I just want to make sure you understand how to wash out your brush. Tap it between. Don't tap it on the side of the cup. Paint splat, like little water droplets will go flying. You just swoosh. You can kind of scrape it off on the edge. Take it to your paper towel. Pinch it off. It should be nice and clean. Okay, give that a shot.